Hi guys, today is another beautiful day. We have come to, I will teach you guys something new today. As you can see, this is a nika, a games wear. This is a very nice nika. Here are two lines on it. But the basic thing I want to teach you today is how to make the line, then take it to our taping machine. Our taping machine. After we take it to the taping machine will now fix these lines on the knicker. So I will be teaching you how to cut the lines on this my industrial weaving machine. I earlier in my other video I earlier told you that we have this particular machine has a razor system on it. So it also cuts some things. So I've improvised a means of using this to cut the lines instead of buying it from the market. So these are some of the lines that I'll be able to cut just now. So I'll cut a little for you guys to see. You can see how fast and sharp the result is. Because the nothing is going down. You will be able to see it from now. I can only show you. Look at this. So beautiful. Sharp.